Okay, let's have a quick look what we get. I've already opened it up, I've already used it, but you're gonna get a box with your tool, you're gonna get a bag. It's a little stand right here. Not too sure what these are for. A bunch of plastic to mount. I've already used, you'll see in the video later on in this video, I used some plastic to weld some stuff together. There's a lot more stuff we got here. So we get a bunch of plastic, little stand, not too sure about that. There is some sandpaper somewhere. Well, this is what you get. You get this. You can turn it around to get that better angles. Real easy to apply. As I struggle with it, after I say it's real easy. So this is what you're going to use to make that plastic attach to each other. I'm going to pin it together with that. This heats up real fast. It's like 3 seconds and that's like red. And after you've done that, you're going to use this other tool they give you. This is to melt that plastic on there. You're going to smoothen everything out. You can use some of these guys to then melt a bit more plastic on top of it. And you get a lot of these. I think there's 100 in each one of these boxes. I've already used a few of them. But also I found out, get yourself a box of paper clips and it does the exact same thing. All you gotta do, bend it around and make it fit. You can bend it to what you need, probably a little bit better than using the ones they give you. You can bend it to absolutely anything. Now, with these paper clips though, you're not going to see them go red, but they do discolor. You'll see it up close. I don't know if you can see it on the camera if I was to turn it on. So after you've put your staples in there, they give you a pair of little pliers, little cutting pliers to cut the ends off so you can run this over there a lot easier. But I already made a video, you'll see. I've got a radiator, but in my video I've done a clean cut. It's a cut with a saw, so obviously when you're fixing some kind of plastic you've got, it's probably not going to be a clean cut like that, so it'd be a bit more difficult. But it's my first time using it. I've never plastic welded before, so here it is. So this was my first attempt at plastic welding. I didn't go deep enough in some of the staples, as you can tell, but it was my first attempt, so I know to go a little deeper next time. Turned out pretty well. It seems pretty stiff. I think if you're stuck for money and you break a part and you don't want to replace it, it's definitely worth doing. That's solid. That's definitely going to stay. Really impressed with it. Obviously you'll get better the more you do. Probably sand it a little bit more. So just a quick little thing at the end of the video I want to show you. This is one of the staples they give you, and you'll see in a couple of seconds that's going to go piping red hot. You'll see it turn red, and you'll know you're at the melting point. You want to stick this into the plastic. No? Okay then. Oh, there you go. We are on. That is ready to go in. If you want to use a regular staple, which I found out works as well. Now, I've noticed if you use a regular staple, it will work, but you're not going to see that red colour come up. I haven't seen it. It will discolour, but it's not going to come up red. It'll get hot pretty quick. But to show you, we'll just burn some straight through this zip tie here. Look at that. But you don't see it get red. It does discolour. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not. But it goes from a shiny, chrome looking metal to a quite a dull looking metal. But yeah, that'll burn. That'll get in the plastic. And with the paper clips as well, you know, paper clips are really cheap. You don't have to order them, and you can bend them to whatever shape you want to bend them to.